everyone, so today we're going to show you on how to encrypt and decrypt a message using Reynalyn Cipher. So first, what is simple transposition cipher? Transposition cipher is a cryptographic algorithm where the order of alphabets in the plaintext is rearranged to form a ciphertext. In this process, the actual plaintext alphabets are not included.
Hello everyone, I'm Jenalyn Pascual, and here is the simple tutorial of Reynalyn Cipher. The Reynalyn Cipher is an easy-to-apply transposition cipher that jumbles up the order of the letters of a message in a quick, convenient way. It also has the security of a key to make it a little bit harder to break. The Reynalyn cipher works by writing your message on alternate lines across the page, and then reading of each line in turn. For example, the plaintext information security is written as shown below, with all spaces removed. The simplest Reynalyn cipher, where each letter is written in a zigzag pattern across the page. The ciphertext is then read off by writing the top row first, yes, like this, followed by the bottom row. To get I, F, R, A, I, N, E, U, I, Y, and the bottom N, O, M, T, O, S, C, R, T. Encryption. To encrypt a message using the Reynalyn cipher, you have to write your message in zigzag lines across the page, and then read off each row. Firstly, you need to have a key, which for this cipher is the number of rows you are going to have. You then start writing the letters of the plaintext diagonally down the right until you reach the number of rows specified by the key. You then bounce back up diagonally until you hit the first row again. Continues until the end of the plaintext. For the plaintext, we use defend the is wall with a key of 3. We get the encryption process shown below. Note that at the end of the message, we have inserted 2x here at the right length. These are called nulls and act as placeholders. We do this to make the message fit neatly into the grid, so that there are the same number of letters on the top row as on the bottom row. Although not necessary, it makes the decryption process a lot easier if the message has this layout. The ciphertext is read off row by row to get D, N, E, T, L, the second row, E, E, D, H, E, S, W, L, and X, and in the third row, F, P, A, and X.
So, decryption. I'll teach you on how to decrypt a message using Reynalyn Cipher. But before that, what is the decryption process? The decryption process for the Reynalyn Cipher involves reconstructing the diagonal grid used to encrypt the message. We start writing a message, but leaving a dash in a place of the spaces yet to be occupied. Gradually, we can replace all the dashes with the corresponding letters and read off the plain text from the table. So start by making a grid with as many rows as the key is and as many columns as the length of the ciphertext. We then place the first letter in the top left square and dashes diagonally downwards where the letters will be. When we get back to the top row, we place the next letter in the ciphertext. Continue like this across the row, and start the next row when you reach the end. So for example, if you receive a ciphertext TATGHSSEMAEIIERESSCS and the encrypted key is 4. So you start by placing the T in the first square. You then dash the diagonally down spaces until you get back to the top row and place letter A here. Continuing to fill the top row and you will get the pattern in the table. So we have a table with 4 rows because the key is 4 and the column as the ciphertext has length of 20. So this is the second stage in the description process or decryption process, and this is the third stage in the decryption process, and this is the final stage in the decryption process. From this, we can now read the plain text of the following diagonal to be: this is a secret message.